What's going on, y'all? My name is Pico, also known as Rice Cuts. If you're looking to book an appointment, I'll provide the link in the description below. I am a licensed professional barber in the Inland Empire, more specifically in the Beaumont and Banning area. I specialize in doing fades, tapers, and lineups. As a barber, I'm aware that everybody has a unique head shape and style. I specialize in optimizing your haircut to your head shape and your style. I specialize in giving people with thinning hair a haircut that will optimize the fullness of their hair by maintaining that darkness. I specialize in giving people with receding or light lineups a lineup that's crispy and as straight as possible. I can do crispy lineups naturally, but if you prefer enhancements, I can do that as well. I can apply the enhancements in a way that it doesn't look so obvious, in a way that's not natural. I'm all about giving you the most unique haircut and the best haircut experience in the Inland Empire. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope to be seeing you all in my chair.